Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, just playing around and drawing something like this. Pretty cool, pretty easy, pretty quick. We're going to take a polygon and I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. And I'm going to do 9 sides or 10 sides. Doesn't really matter. Now, you know with a polygon, if you take your shape tool, this will come in. But we want this flat edge. So what we're going to do, we're going to go right here and add a node and then go down. And it's giving us a flat edge. Now, we don't have to twist it. We can a little bit. But then what you're going to do is take the Distort tool, and I've never really used this one, which is called Twister Distortion. And then right here, you've got an angle, and let's just type in 22. And look at it, twisted it. And then you could do more or less or whatever you wanted to do. Now it's in the center of the page. So if we draw an ellipse about that size and hit P, we'll do this one different. We're going to make the inside, well, let's just make it red like the other one. And see the ellipse stopped it from moving or going out to that far. I'm going to take my ellipse and nudge it over twice and make it yellow. I'm going to go ahead and take away the outline. I'm going to actually right click and take away this outline. And because we created it again, second, it's going to be behind the layer and you've got that distortion. I think I like my first one better. I did a little not as good a job. Let's do that again. Given that the 9 or 10, and let's put a mark. See, I'm just not as wide, but you could always make it wider. And, you know, it doesn't really matter with that because we're going to cut off the top and then go to the Distort tool, the twister, and you can just move it manually, but it's better just to go like 30 and you get that twister look. Anyway, I hope you gave some information, and thank you so much. And thank you for watching.